surprise. We wish you a happy birthday and a new journey today.
Time to thank you guys for the special surprise today. And thank you for the management staff, coach, especially to the manager for bringing us a wonderful surprise today. And thank you. God bless us.
God bless Paris. God bless Paris. Cut the cake.
Very young, you, eh?
Cut the cake.
One piece. Hari kali lagi. Open. Hey!
Wait. Sweet. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Kiss.